you're mixing too many mentors. Now, I'm going to say this just because I just don't give a shit. I don't care if you follow me, you follow Barry, you follow Peter, you follow Sean. It doesn't matter. But when you buy somebody's program, you need to just follow them until you've reached a level of success where your business is kind of starting to get going, like around like $2 or $3 a month. Because we all teach the same thing. We all teach you how to make money with KDP, right? Sean has his way, I have my way, Peter has his, Barry has his. He wears a robe, which gives him instant success. But we all teach the same stuff. We just tweak it a little bit. That's bar none how it's done. And if you try to mix my techniques with one of theirs or their techniques with one of the other guys or whatever the case is, you are like, it's not 100%, but it's like 95% you're going to screw up your business because you don't know what you're doing. And sometimes it's the nuances that make the biggest difference, right? And this is something I've seen this happen so many times where I'll go look at what a student's doing, like with ads, for example. I'll go look at what a student's doing, right? And I've showed them how to do ads one way. And then they've mixed in another like teacher's ads method into my method. And they're like, yeah, I'm just not getting the results. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? This is a disaster. Like, pick somebody and follow them. And like, I'm sorry for swearing, but it's just so frustrating. It's like, you literally paid me money. So just ignore everybody else and listen to me. Like, that's all I'm trying to do is make you money because I want your testimonial. That's it. That's like my only goal. And that's the same for everybody else on YouTube. Okay. Their only goal is for you to make money so they can get a testimonial from you and get more students. So, like, that's it. That's our entire business model. But that only works if you actually follow the advice and you listen and you make money. But when you start mixing and mingling everything and you're not ready to, and you're not at the level where you actually understand what's happening or why you're doing things, you just make it so much harder for yourself. And it's killing your business, right? And it's frustrating us. So without going much longer onto this point, pick the person that you relate to the most. If it's my style that you like the most, then like follow me and go through my stuff and let me help you get the results. But like, if it's not, and if it's one of the other guys, go follow them and come back to me one day. I don't know, maybe not, who knows? But just go follow the person that you relate to the most. Why? Because you have to listen to them. You have to like hearing their voice. You have to like their style. And you cannot get a program from somebody that you don't like or somebody you don't want to hear or somebody that you doubt, because then you're not going to follow it and it's going to screw up your results. And then that's going to screw up our stats and nobody wins. Do you see how that works? Right? So I don't know. I feel like I kind of went off on that. It's like success is so easy. And it gets very frustrating when I see somebody who's like paid me money and they're just screwing it up by doing things that I've like never taught them. And I'm like, why are you, in which lesson did I teach you to do that? Oh, well, I heard it from somebody on YouTube. Like, I've never even heard of this person. I'm like, well, I'm sorry. Did you pay them to tell you how to do this? No, you paid me. So just do what I'm teaching you to do because that's what I do. It's what I know is going to get you results. So just follow it. Like, it's not hard. Okay. And hey, really quick here, I will do my shameless plug. If you are new and you do want to learn how to do this business completely 110% for free is my free 3-day challenge where you can learn how to write a book, find a topic, write a book, publish a book, and profit from that book all within a couple of days. It's 100% free. You can go to the link that's going to be in the description. You also get access to like a bonus free community as well. So you can chat with people in there and tag me and I'll answer questions for you as well. But it's 100% for free. So you can go check that out in the link right now.